start flying these poles in and out. And then, so this is a, I think it's just called a Bell 447. And I seen the Black Hawk earlier. He did not land here, obviously, or you'd know. But I'm hoping we can get some more footage of this, because we're actually processing birds today. But we'll try to take a break and come down and do it. Pretty awesome. You know. For me to see. Okay, there, look at that. There's like freaking 3 dudes on there. Freaking 3 guys hanging on to that thing. I can't even believe that helicopter can lift their balls. All right, so we're up here in our lower field, and we're gonna have the most epic wood delivery on the farm ever by a Black Hawk. It's gonna be cool. Okay, here he comes. In the trees, I'm trying to stay back so that, number one, I don't get in the way, but that was so close. Holy. Oh, they got cross members on them and everything. Check that shit. Sweet! One down, 3 to go. Alright, so the first 2 have been delivered. It's going to be like half an hour before the next 2 come. Let's see what the diameter of these things are. 21.5 on that one, and they're 70 feet long, and they're solid cedar. If you can believe that. Look, check this out. See this? See all that? That's bears. They're all scratched up from bears. So this one here is 20. 70 feet long. They're all cedar that are coming. And then the guy that's running the ground, doing the ground communications, he has a sawmill, an LX 150, and he has a bunch of this, and he said it makes beautiful lumber. And then these guys here, the cross members, are 20 feet long, and they are 7 by 8, and he said they are western red pine, I believe. I think that's what he told me. So, wow, I can build some stuff with this. Last pole delivery. I think they're gonna bring cross braces, but I ain't hanging around for that. I was just talking to the ground guy, trying to get all this out of here because we're under a high wind warning and a couple inches of snow coming, even though it's 60 degrees today. Just so everybody knows, this is a female pilot. I believe she's ex-Army. Then she waved. Woo! This is the first snow for the spaniels. Everybody's peeing. Hey guys, so this is what they were racing against to get that job done with the helicopters. So we've got a couple inches so far. So I just wanted to do a quick outro. Let you know thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe. Thanks.